Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download video on Facebook from your iPhone. First, open your App Store and find Search D Manager. And install the first app. I'm already installed this app and open. Now appear this page in your front and I'm copy video URL. Open this video and copy link, go to again D Manager app. Now in the search bar here and click there and copy this link. Now after paste link on there, then go and click on the video and appear this window and click download. And click downloads. Now downloading this video. If you copy in your photo gallery, then click and hold, and second option is open in, and second option is save video. After this, click this video, go to your photo gallery. Please like this video and press subscribe button and bell icon. Thanks for watching.